Hi everyone. How are you all guys? Good evening everyone. Right, hope you are all doing well. Audio both are clear everyone, all of you? Audio both are clear for all of you? Right. So all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everyone should be get ready to crack, all of you. So whenever you are subscribing for the plus and iconic courses, right, what is the referral code you have to use always? That referral code you have to use always is which one? This RP Civil Live, right? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use always, right? Don't miss this, all of you, right? And here GATE ESE Civil Engineering, and this is my profile. You can follow me at which, and you can just observe just below this video that blue color pinned one is there na, that pinned portion is representing my profile only. If you just click on that, you will be redirected to my profile in Unacademy, right? So don't miss this, all of you, right? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use always, right? Whenever you are subscribing for the plus and iconic courses, use the referral code RP Civil Live, right? There it is written educator profile. Just click on that and you will be redirected to my profile, you can say, right? These are all the subjects I will be taking in Unacademy Plus platform, right? And coming to this Unacademy Combat event will be there, all of you, right? So on which one? On April 10th, that Unacademy Combat event will be there. So don't miss this Unacademy Combat event, all of you. So that what will happen whenever you are writing this is scholarship test na, so based on your rank, right, whenever you are writing this scholarship test, right, based on your rank, you will be able to get this scholarship, right? 100% scholarship, 75%, 50%, 25%, depending upon your which one this rank you will be getting, right? Depending upon your rank you will be getting, if you just observe, okay, right? So TCS NQT mock test will be there, right? Free test will be there to check your readiness for this TCS NQT examination. So don't miss this, all of you. This is campus placement IT jobs related, right? When this test will be there? On April 9th at 7 PM you will be having this test, right? Don't miss this, all of you. This is a scheme of examination. So we have recently started, very good news. One more good news that I am going to share with you is we have recently started this Unacademy Delhi store, and now we are going to start which one? Now we are going to start which one? We are going to start this Unacademy store, one more new store at which one? Jaipur we are going to start, right? So don't miss this, all of you. If at all anybody is from Rajasthan or nearby Jaipur, just try to visit this, all of you, right? Just try to visit if possible, you guys, right? If possible, try to visit it, right? Now, so this Unacademy store, what is that you can do? You can meet your favorite educator there, and you can avail special lunch offer on this Unacademy subscription, and you can get free Unacademy merchandise also, right? So this is the road, this is the address we are having at which, okay? These are all our ESE 2021 toppers from Unacademy, you can say, all of you, and these are all GATE 2022 toppers from Unacademy, right? And Mission ESE, right? So what is that? Those who qualified, right? Those who qualified for which one? This prelims na, and they will be for their benefits we have started which one? We are going to start which one? A new batch, right? Mission ESE we are going to start the batch for which one? This ESE mains 2022, okay? Don't miss this. Those who qualified prelims, they can go for this one, right? So bilingual batch it is April 11th onwards it will be starting, right? So environmental engineering by Krishna Prakash sir, it will be starting at which one? This 9:30 AM, okay? So the class will be at which time? 9:30 AM by Krishna Prakash sir, okay? Don't miss this. So these are all the benefits of iconic subscription along with the benefits of plus subscription, and these are the new prices going to be increased from tomorrow. So if you are acting now, 19% you can save almost. So RP Civil is the live referral code you have to use always, right? Like that. So iconic students, right? Iconic students for 1 year and more than 1 year subscription will be getting this physical notes right? So Unacademy will be sending which one? Unacademy will be sending these notes to you, okay? All of you, don't miss this. So this is the difference between which one? This is plus and iconic subscription, okay? Right? Additional you can have, right? So these are all which one? Yeah, good evening Tanvir. Yeah, good evening aspirant. Right. Yeah, aspirant, you are asking about the mains batch na. So that mains batch is going to start, right? Krishna Prakash sir, our own Krishna Prakash sir will be starting this ESE mains batch for which one? From April 11th onwards, he will be starting that batch. Okay, don't miss this. So Unacademy Lite subscription is regarding only which one? This test series subscription, because right, subject wise, topic wise you can find, right? Because good evening. So now coming to our discussion, right? Coming to our discussion, what is our discussion? You can say that linear measurements, numerical questions only we are discussing now. Errors. Don't worry, right? April 11th onwards it will be starting, right? Don't miss this, right? Don't miss this, all of you. Aspirant, right? You just attend the classes and crack it, right? You can crack it, no problem, right? Sincerity, and which one is required? Sincerity, hard work, and willingness to crack the mains is required, right? That is only required, right? Okay. So this 130 questions got completed, and now today's class is what? YouTube live class on the surveying all state PSC PYQs part 15. Okay, which chapter? This is chapter 2, linear measurements. These basics are already over, and this measurements and errors and corrections, right? This part is going on now, if you just observe, right? Okay, now select the answer for this 131 question, all of you. Select the answer for this 131 question, everyone. Write the answer for this 131 question, all of you. Write the answer, everyone. Yesterday itself we have discussed this now, if you just remember. Yesterday itself we have discussed this, if you just remember, all of you. Or not discussed. That is your theta degree. It is not 0 degree. It is your theta degree slope. Okay, that is your theta degree slope, right? It is not 0. It is theta degree slope. Option A or C? Ragraj Singh said A and aspirant said C. Any other answer by others, all of you? Any other answer by others? Any other answer by others, all of you? Total 15 members are live. Any other answers, all of you? So the correction to be applied to each 30-meter chain length along this theta slope is, right? What is that correction to be applied? If you just observe for this 30-meter chain, you can say, right, the correction to be applied is which one? This is secant theta minus 1, na? Yes, if you just observe, right? Should I show the derivation for this or no need of derivation, all of you? Should I go with the derivation or no need of the derivation, all of you? Should I go with the derivation or no need? Somebody just check it, just tell me. Narendra, right? Narendra said A and Anjaneli said B and Vikas said C. Okay, I'll be just going through the, don't worry, right? Hypotenuse annuals, yes, hypotensual allowance, right? Just simply, it is which one? This is a hypotensual allowance only, right? Let us say this is which one? This is a L you are having, na? This is your L you are having, if you just, right? So what is that you can say? Whenever you are just trying to make it horizontal, it will come up to this point, na? Okay, this is your correction for this slope, you can say, or hypotenuse, hypotential allowance, and this is which one? This is lesser than L, na? What is this one? This is your lesser than L or not? Obviously lesser than L, right? What is that you can say? That is CH, if you just observe. Good evening, Naveen. Okay, I'm just writing that expression, right? L into which one? That length of this chain. LC into which one? This is secant theta minus 1, right? It is just a hypotensual allowance. Hypotensual allowance, isn't it? Hypotensual allowance, right? Corresponding to this only, that error will be 30 secant theta minus 1, right? Like that. So I'll be moving on to the next question, right? Select the answer of you. 132 question. Select the answer for this question. 132 question, all of you. So this question is given is which one? This UPRVUNL AE. (132) C. Ragraj Singh. Any other answer by others? Any other answer by others, all of you? Any other answer by others? Raguraj Singh said C. Narendra said A. And another answer? Others? Naveen said D. Anjaneyulu C. Which one is correct answer? So if you just observe, marking the end of this chain length is an example of, right? Marking the end of this chain length, right? What is that marking the end of this chain length? If you just observe, you can say marking the end of this chain length means, let us say this is your chain. So what we are doing? This is your chain, let us say, right? This is your chain, let us say, if you just observe it. God, good evening. This is your chain, if you just observe. Whenever this is your chain, you can mark, sometimes you will be marking at this place as the end, na? Yes or no? By mistake, right? Next time what will happen, whenever you are placing this chain here from this place, next time what will happen, there is a possibility that you will be marking this position as the end, na? And next time what will happen, there is a possibility that, right, there is a possibility that you will be marking this position as the end, na? So now sometimes it is lesser value, sometimes it is more than, right? Sometimes it is lesser value, sometimes it is higher value, sometimes it is exactly at the center. So it can be positive and negative, na? Do you give guarantee that it is always positive or it is always negative? Do you give guarantee that it is always positive or always negative, or sometimes positive, sometimes negative can be possible? It can be sometimes positive, sometimes negative is possible, na? Yes or no? So sometimes positive, sometimes negative. Whenever it is sometimes positive and sometimes negative, what it will result in? It is adding type or it is compensating type? It is a compensating type, na? Yes, it is a compensating type, right? We can say, if we just observe, right? Ravi Joshi came here for first time. How many questions per subject you will cover if this is a daily initiative, right? Generally, all state PSC PYQs, right? All state PSC PYQs of surveying I'll be covering, right? Whatever the previous questions I am having with me, for all state PSCs from surveying, I'll be solving all these questions, okay? Don't worry. So till now 132 questions, right? This is 132nd question we are doing, okay? Almost some 600 plus questions only will be doing it, okay? Ravi Joshi, 600 plus questions only will be doing, right? More than 600 questions will be doing, okay? Don't miss this. So sometimes positive and sometimes negative means, what is that you can say? Sometimes positive and sometimes negative means, it means that it is a compensating or not. One positive value will be compensating the negative value, obviously, na? Compensating type of this error, you can say, if you just observe, right? Is that clear? Right. Now, shall I move to the next question? Right, this 133 question, select the answer of you. Select the answer for this 133 question, all of you. Yesterday also we had this kind of discussion. Error or it is which one, this correction? Error and correction are opposite to each other, na? Naveen said C and Raghuram Singh said D. Any other answer by others? Narendra said B. Any other answer? So here, measuring with a 30-meter chain which was 0.0041 meter too short, right? What is that you consider it? What is that actual length is how much? What is that actual length you can say? Actual length is what? 30 minus 0.041, right? So 30 minus 0.041, what it comes to be? 30 minus 0.041, right? What is that value comes to be? 29.959. So this is your 29.959 meters. This is actual length, right? Now tell me, what is that a reported length? What is that a reported or this noted length in your notebook? Reported length or this noted length will be equal to what? Reported length or this noted length will be equal to which one? This 30 meters, right? It will be equal to which one? This 30 meters, right? Now tell me, what is the error? You are reporting more than actual value, na? It is a positive error or negative error? It is a positive error, right? It is a positive error, right? It is a positive error, right? Why it is positive error? Because reporting more than actual value, na? When you are reporting more than actual value, right? 0.041 meters more than the actual value we are reporting. So then when you are reporting more than the actual value, it will be positive error only, no? Reporting more than actual. Therefore it is positive error, right? Positive error and cumulative, na? It is absolutely cumulative, right? Why it is cumulative? When this change in the length is there, means it will be continued, right? It will be continued as it is, right? First time when you are measuring the chain, what happens? 0.041 value, higher value you are reporting. This length is actually 29.599 for the chain, but you are reporting it as 30, means 0.041 meter extra you are reporting than the original present, okay? And the second time when you are placing the chain to that along the line, that also will be added, a 0.041 meter extra will be added. Again third chain location, again fourth chain location, so that it will be cumulative or additive in nature, right? Like that. So shall I move to the next question of you? 134 question then. (134) question I'll be looking into. Just to select the answer, everyone. In plus class after highway, that steel structures I'll be starting, right? I'll be starting steel structures, Naveen. After highway I'll be starting that steel structures in place. In the morning class or some other class, that May and June together, right? End of the May and starting of this June, last week of May and first week of June together. Either I'll be starting airport or I'll be starting this railway engineering, okay? Good evening, Diksha. Yes, Anjanelu. End of the chain length, right? End of the chain reporting, right? End of this chain representation, right? Sometimes will be, so this is the chain end, you can say. Sometimes will be sometimes will be showing up to this point, sometimes will be showing this point as end, sometimes will be showing this as end, right? Sometimes it will be more than the actual, sometimes it will be lesser than the actual, we will be noting now. So therefore, do you give guarantee that it is always positive or always negative, or sometimes negative, sometimes positive can happen, Anjanelu? It can be sometimes negative, sometimes positive. Therefore, what will happen? It will be compensating only, obviously. Is it clear? Now, this 134, what does it tell me? Select the answer for this 134 question, all of you. This is GPSC and ESC. In many examinations, this question is given. Vikas said A, and another answer? Diksha said D. Okay. You observe the options carefully and answer, right? Observe the options carefully and answer, all of you, right? Observe the options carefully and answer, okay? Just like that, don't select. Okay, what is it? The magnitude of this sag correction during the measurement of this length by chaining is proportional to the, right? What is that magnitude of this sag correction? If you just observe, CS, right? C sag, right? Magnitude of this sag correction will be equal to, do you remember that small W square into that small L cube divided by this 24 into that pull square, isn't it? 24 into that pull square. Can we say? Do you know this or don't know? Do you know this formula or we don't know this formula? Then tell me, it is a cube of this weight, cube root of this weight, or square of the weight of the chain? Square of the weight of the chain only, no? That is C sag is directly proportional to square of the weight, right? What is the square of the weight? It is a kg per meter length, right? So which option is correct? Option C is correct or option D is correct, everyone? Option C is correct or option D is correct, all of you? Option C is correct, na? Yes, option C will be the correct one, right? Like that. So shall I move to the next question? 135 question, select the answer. See how many state PSCs and PSUs it is given. Gujarat PSC, Odisha PSC, GPSC, GPSC, NPCC, TNPSC, UK combined, and RPSC, WPSC. How many questions it is given, you imagine now? Lot many number of examinations it is given, na? You have marked for square root, Diksha. It was a square, na? Yes, it is a square, right? Yeah. Brajesh said B and Diksha said B. And any other answer by others? So correction due to sag of the tape is always negative, na? Yes, it is always negative or not? Yes, corrections due to sag of the tape is what? Always it is negative only, if you just observe, right? Always it is negative only, right? Now, this one 136 question. Solve this. Okay. 99, is it so? One 136, 99, option B. Any other answer by others? 99. Right. If the actual length of a 20-meter chain was found to be which one? This 19.9 meter. Then the actual length of a line measured as 100 meter with that chain will be, right? Do you remember that yesterday? So every day we are doing one question on this concept. Every day we are doing one question on this concept. Now do you remember, all of you? Every day we are doing one question on this concept if you just read. What is that? Distance or length wrong divided by which one? This LC wrong, right? LC, length of this chain wrong, that is equal to number of chains, na? So what is that equal to? It is equal to which one? This L true divided by which one? This LC true. So this wrong is nothing but LC wrong is nothing but your designated, right? This is nothing but your designated. So what is this one? This is equal to which one? This actually present, right? This is actually present, na? Actually present value, right? So wrong into wrong equal to right into right. Yes, L wrong is how much? So what is that L wrong? You can say L wrong is nothing but your distance. Wrong distance measured is what? 100 meters, na? 100 divided by this. What is the wrong length of the chain? It is found to be 19.8 meters, means 19.8 meter is the actual length. This is the actual length. You can say that 20 meter is your wrong length of this chain, na? So divided by this LC wrong is what? 20. You can say, right? It is equal to what is the L true? You are asked to identify this true length of this line. Divided by this, what is the LC true? 19.8 we can say. So therefore, what is the L true if you just observe? 19.8 divided by this 20 into 100, right? How much it comes to be? It comes to be this 99 meters, everyone. 99 meters, everyone. It comes to be 99 meters, right? Option B is the correct one. Is that clear, everyone? Right? 99 meters is the answer, right? Like that. Okay. Shall I move to the next question? 137. Yes, this 137 question, try to answer all of you. This 137 question, try to select everyone. Same concept na? For this question also same concept, right? Write the question number and answer of you. Write the question number and answer. B. Write the question number and answer. 137B. Brajesh, Diksha, Babu. Brajesh said B and Diksha said B and Babu said A. Same concept, no? That number of chains will be same, right? The distance wrong, right? That distance wrong divided by which one? This that LC, which one? This wrong, you can say, right? That LC wrong, you can say, which is equal to what? That distance true divided by which one? This LC, right? Length of this chain is true. Okay. So what is the L wrong here? The length of this line measured with a 20-meter chain was found to be 634.4 meters. So this is L wrong only, no? It is wrong. So this is also wrong only, no? This is also wrong only, right? Anjanelu said A, Naveen said B. We'll just check it, right? If the chain was 5 centimeter too long, right? The chain was 5 centimeter too long, right? When the chain is 5 centimeter too long means throughout the measurement, then the true length of the line is, right? What is that? L wrong is nothing but 634.4 divided by what is that? Wrong length of this chain or tape, you can say. Wrong length of this chain is what? 20 meters, right? It is equal to what is that? L true that you are asked to calculate divided by which one? This LC true is what? 20. So what is that? LC true. LC true is what? 20 meter plus 5 centimeter, right? What is that? 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter is nothing but which one? How many meters? So 20.05 meters only, na? So no, 20.05 meters, right? It will be 20.05, you can say. Then what is that? L true, if you just observe? 20.05 in 20.05 divided by this 20 into what is that? 634.4, right? How much it comes to be then? How many meters the final value comes to be? It should be more than 634.4, right? More than 634.4 means option A can be eliminated and only option A can be eliminated, right? What is the value? How much it comes to be, everyone? 630? Everyone, tell me how much it comes to be. So 635 point which one? It is 635 point which one? How much? Somebody just said it now. Who said it? 635.986, right? Rajesh, 635.986 meters, right? Diksha also said correctly, right? Option B is the correct one, right? Shall I move to the next question? 138 question. Just note down this 138 question. Select the answer of you for this. Already this also we have mentioned yesterday, na? This also we have discussed yesterday, if you just observe, right? This point also we have discussed yesterday, if you just observe, right? Yes, na? When h is the level difference between the heights, is no difference in heights between the extremities of this chain length, then corrected for a slope required is, right? What is it? You can say that correction for this slope, if you just observe, right? What is the correction for this slope? Is it not that a sigma h square by this 2l? Yes, it is your sigma h square by this 2l, right? It is always positive or negative. correction is negative, right? Sigma h square by this 2l because, right? Which option is correct? Option C will be the correct one, huh? Yes. Now try to move to the next question. Yes, everybody said C, right? Suraj, Indian brothers, Naveen, Diksha, Brajesh, everybody said C, and that is correct only, right? H square by 2l, right? Now tell me next question, 139. It's 139. Select the answer of you. This is last but one question. After this, we'll solve one more question so that 10 questions will be completed today. Okay. Select the answer, everyone, for this. Somebody select the answer for this 139 question. Someone select the answer. Hello, no one is selecting the answer. Why? Naveen said C and Indian brother said A. And anyone else? Anyone else? Other answer? Suraj said A. Other answers by other? Diksha said A. And any other answer by others? Calculate the sag correction for a 30-meter steel tape under a pull of this 100 Newton in 3 equal spans of 10 meter each, right? Take the total weight of this tape suspended between the two supports as 6.24 newtons, right? 6.24 newtons, right? What is that? You can see if you just observe that correction for this sag, right? What is the correction for this sag if you just observe? That total W square L divided by this 24, which one? This P square, na? Or L into, so what is it? You can say that L divided by this 24, right? L divided by this 24 into, what is it? You can say that a W, total W square by this P square, na? Yeah, W square, right? So what is it? You can say here, if you just observe that total, right? What is it? L, you can say L is nothing but your, how much we have to take? That 30 meters we have to take it, na? That 30 by 24 into, right? What is the W square? W, that total load will be that 6.24 newtons, right? 6.24 square divided by this, what is that pull? You can say under a pull of this 100 newtons, right? What is that 100 newtons? That 100 is square. Okay. Then what is the correction for sag? If you just observe. Where is it 9? Both are in newtons only, no? When both are in newtons, do you need to divide with 9.81 or no need to divide with this 9.81? So 0. Which one? At 0.00487 meters, right? 0.00487 meters, right? Like that, if you just observe, right? Yes, no? Now, what is that you can say? What is that you can say, right? This is one way of solving this, right? This is one way of solving this, right? Yes, right? Yes, Suraj, right? What is that will come is that n square, it is not 1, it is not that 1, you can see it is n square, right? So if you just wanted to consider it, is that what is the correction for this sag will be equal to is, what is the correction for this sag? That L by 24 into, what is that? L by 24 into, what is that you can say? That is small w, right? It is that small w. How much it comes to be if you just observe, right? So this is your W for each span, na? W for which one? This W for each span square by which one? This is n square that p square, right? N square p square, right? N square p square, right? That total W, right? Total W square into n square, sorry, total W square into that divided by this n square p square, right? In this case, what is that you can see if you just observe that numerator is total W square. Here if you just observe, numerator is total W square, right? L by 24 same, na? L by 24 is what? That L is what? 30 meter total length divided by which one? This 24 into, what is the W? Total W is what? Total W is that 6.24 square only divided by which one? This n square p square, right? Here if you just observe that np itself is given as this 100, na? Or that 3p itself is given as this 100, okay? When this 3p itself is given as this 100 means, so directly we can write this n square p square is nothing but your 100 square, na? Under a pull of 100 kilonewton in 3 equal spans, right? So what is the you can say? Np is equal to 100 or 3p is equal to 100 means n square p square is nothing but your 100 square only, na? Directly we can take it or not, all of you? Directly we can take it, right? Directly we can take it, right? Either you can use it individually or you can use the total together also, right? Any formula is okay, right? Either you can calculate it with respect to total or you can calculate it individually, right? Is that clear now, Suraj? Is that clear now, Suraj? Yes, no? Like that, any way you can do it, right? Any way you can do it, right? 0.0048672, okay? Which option it is correct? Option A is correct, na? Yes, option A is correct, right? Last question for today. Yeah, this is 140 question, right? Last question for today. Pranav, sorry for off-topic questions, sir. I checked your website and followed some series, but I can't find deflection beams lecture. Can I get their link? Yeah, Pranav, yesterday night itself I have uploaded them, right? Yesterday night itself I have uploaded them. Just to check it. The deflection link, it is uploaded, okay? Deflection link is uploaded. Just to check it, Pranav, okay? Just to check it, right? Today it is available, right? Today it is available, Pranav, okay? Don't miss this. I have uploaded the link. I have updated the link for this one. Just to check it, okay? Select the answer for this 140 question. Last question for today, all of you. (140B) not sure. Okay. Any other answer by others? Anyone? Any other answer? 3962. Just check it. Any other answer by others, all of you? You got 4028. Okay. Anyone else? Any other answer? Any other answer by others, everyone? Right? Okay. One second. Okay, already time is over now. We will be solving this question in tomorrow's class, all of you. We will be solving this question in tomorrow's class, okay?